In this video, you will learn how to configure a desktop PC into dual-homed PC router. There are some prerequisites in order to complete this project. First of all, you need 3 LAN cards, and then you need Windows Server 2003 or 2008. We are using Windows Server 2003. Here on system tray you can see 3 network adapters. Open the network connection windows and rename all of these as shown in this video. Name it as PC router because it is going to become our PC router. This is our host 1. And this is host 2. Now configure its settings. Go to its properties, TCP/IP connections, and assign 14.14.14.217. This is the public IP address which we are given by our ISP. Here you need to give the IP address which you are given by your ISP. Now click OK. Here you can see it is now connected. Now go to the properties of host 1 and assign it 192.168.0.1. Click OK. Similarly, configure host 2 192.168.1.1. Now click OK. Now we will configure our host 1 and host 2 PCs. Close this window, and now we will configure the host 1 PC. Now we will configure host 1. First of all, attach the host 1 with the desktop PC via cable at the interface with the name host 1. Now go to Start menu, click Control Panel, click on Windows Firewall, turn Windows Firewall on or off, and turn the Windows Firewall off. Now click OK and close the window. Now open the network connection window. Click on local area network, click on properties, now give it 192.168.0.2. As we have attached the host 1 PC with the interface having 192.168.0 as a subnet address, so we assign it 192.168.0.2 with the same subnet address but with the different IP address. And make the IP address of host 1 LAN card at desktop PC as the default gateway of the host 1. Now click OK and close the window. Now we will configure the host 2 PC. Now we will configure host 2 PC. First of all, attach the host 2 with the desktop PC via cable at the interface with the name host 2. Now click on Start menu, go to Control Panel, click on Windows Firewall, click on Turn Windows Firewall on or off, and turn the Windows Firewall off. Click OK and close the window. Now open the network connection windows. Click on local area connections, properties, and assign the following IP address: 192.168.1.2. As we have attached the host 2 PC with the interface having 192.168.1 as a subnet address, so we assign it 192.168.1.2 with the same subnet address but with a different IP address. Now assign 192.168.1.1. We make the IP address of host 2 LAN card at the desktop PC as a default gateway at the host 1. Click OK. Here you can see now all of the PCs are attached to the PC router. Now go to run and type regedit. Here you can see the multiple options: expand local machine, then system, then go to current control set, then services. Here you can see very long list. You have to find the TCP IPs, expand it. Here you can see, click on parameter. Here you can see the multiple parameters. Click on IP enable router and modify it. Here you can see the 0 value. You have to assign the 1 value over here. Then click OK and close the window. You have to restart your PC in order to work it properly. Now restart it and click OK. Now we will configure the routing table. Go to start menu, click on run and type cmd. Now type route print. This command will print you all the routing table. Here you can see the multiple options. All of these entries are added automatically in this table. Here you cannot see the entries for our host 1 and host 2 PC, which we will have to add in this table manually. Now we will add these entries into this table. Write route add 192.168.0.2. This is for our host 1 PC. This is the mask address. This is the interface address, and this is metric, which represents the number of hosts. Now this entry will have successfully added into the table. Now we will add similarly for the host 2. We just need to change 1 instead of 2. Now a second entry will also have been added. Now again we will print this table. Here you can see, yes, this is for our host 1 PC and this is for host 2. Now we will ping the host 1 PC in order to check our configurations. .168.0.1.0.2. Here you can see it's successfully pinging to the host 1 PC. Similarly for the host 2. Oh, you can see it also pinging to the host 2. So we have successfully configured our PC into the dual home PC router. Just type exit. That's all.